Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the oven temperature sensor in the KitchenAid range. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver and a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new oven temperature sensor, a pair of high temperature wire nuts, and the instructions. You will need to use the wire nuts in case if the existing plug will not match with the replacement plug. So you'll have to cut both of them off and splice in using those two high temperature wire nuts. The oven temperature sensor monitors the temperature inside the oven cavity and relays the information to the main control board. The main reason why it would need to be replaced is if it shorts out or burns out, causing the oven not to work properly. Let's pull the range out. Using the Phillips screwdriver, take out screws that hold the access panel and two screws from the terminal block cover. Leave the panel to release the locking tab on the upper left corner and remove it. Locate the temperature sensor in the left upper corner. Using the flat blade screwdriver, open the tab and disconnect the plug. Unscrew the single Phillips screw and pull the old sensor out. This is the old oven temperature sensor next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Slide the new oven temperature sensor into the hole and secure it with a Phillips screw. Connect the plug. Install the rear access panel with a locking tab into the cutout